Hello guys, welcome to our circle time. So today is Friday. Well, I'm doing this the day before, but it'll be Friday, March 27, 2020, right? So it's the last day that we're doing letter W, right? And the letter W says W, W, W. When you write the letter W, you go down, up, down, up. Lowercase w, same thing, but smaller. All right? Now, let's do our ABCs. Ready? So get some space. Make sure there's nobody around you. You want to hit nobody, don't smack nobody, okay? So ready? The A goes A. The B goes B. The C goes K. The D goes D. The E goes eh. The F goes f. The F goes f. The G goes g. The G goes g. The H goes p. The H goes p. The I goes I. The I goes I. The J goes j. The J goes j. The K goes k. The K goes k. The L goes the L goes the M goes The M goes The N goes The N goes The O goes ah. The O goes ah. Like what? Like an octopus, right? The O goes ah. The P goes p. The P goes p. The Q goes qu. The Q goes qu. The R goes The R goes The R goes The T goes, I'm sorry, the S goes The S goes snake, right? S for snake. The S goes The T goes t. The T goes t. Show your muscles. The T goes t. The U goes ah. The U goes ah. Like ah for umbrella. Umbrella bird, right? You got the wing. You got the U, the umbrella. U for umbrella. U goes ah. The V goes what is this? V goes for vampire, right? Vampire bat. V goes the W goes what? W goes what? W goes what? W goes what? The V, wait, the X goes X goes the X goes the X goes the Y goes yeah. The Y goes yeah. Y goes yeah. The Z goes z. The Z goes z. And every letter makes a sound. The W goes woo. All right, good job, guys. Now let's count to 30. Ready? We can do a pattern next week. Today we're going to use our hands, okay? So let's start with the hands. Put your hands up, 2 fists. Remember, we're going to open. When we're done, we're going to start closing. Then we're going to keep going until we get to 30, okay? So put your 2 fists up. Ready? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Yay, we did it. We counted to 30. We used our hands, right? How many fingers do we have in our hands? Don't count them. We got 10, okay? Not 11, not 12. We got 10. All right? So, are we ready to learn? Yes. Ready for some math? Who misses math? I know I miss math. I love math. Got a little board today. All right, so, ready for your fingers? Okay, fingers working? You're gonna use fingers to count, right? Give me 2 fingers. 2 fingers in one hand. And what symbol is that? Is that adding or taking away? That is adding, right? Addition. In addition, we add. So we're going to have 2 fingers in one hand, and we're going to add 3 fingers. 2 fingers in one hand, 3 fingers in the other. How many is that? Count them. Ready? How much is it? 5. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Ready for another one? This time, give me 5 fingers. Right? We're going to add 2 fingers. 5 plus 2 equals, what does it equal? 5 plus 2 is what? What is it? 7. Yeah. 5 plus 2 equals 7. Ready for a hard one? All right. No cheating. Don't ask your mommy and daddies what it is, okay? Give me 10 fingers. 10 plus 2. 10 plus 2 equals what? No cheating now. Gotta do the work. I'm gonna help you though, okay? You're not alone in this. Remember when we counted to 30, we use our fingers, we open and close, right? So you got 10 fingers, right? 10. Remember when we were counting? Now, how many fingers do we need to put down when we keep counting? 10 plus what? 2, right? So we counted to 10, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 plus how many? 2. Let's keep counting. 2 more times. 10, 11, 12. So 10 plus 2 equals 12. How do you write a 12? A 1 and a 2. 12. All right, let's do a little bit more math. Give me 3 fingers. Now, what symbol is this? That's a minus symbol. Take away. Minus, we're going to take away 3. Take away 2. So you got 1, 2, 3 fingers. We're going to take away 2. 1, 2. How many is that? 1. That's an easy one. I know you guys know that. Ready? Because it's going to get harder. Okay? Give me 10 fingers. That got hard real fast, right? 10 fingers. Ready? Take away 5. Wait, that's backwards. It's because I'm backwards. Take away 5. How many do you have? Ready? 10 fingers. Take away 5. Equals 5. 10 minus 5 equals 5. Ready? I'm going to do a couple more. Give me 6 fingers. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 fingers. Let's take away 3. How many fingers do you have left? 6. Take away 3. 6 minus 3 equals, yep, 3. Good job, you did it. Wait for a really hard one. This is our last one, so it's going to be really hard, okay? Ready? Get your brains working. 10 fingers. Give me 10 fingers. We're going to take away 10 fingers. 10 minus 10 equals how much? You have 10 fingers. Let's take away 10 fingers. How many is that? How many fingers do I have left? Nothing. 0, right? Zero. How many is 0? Nothing. 0 is nothing.
0 is something.
That's Aria, guys. That's my daughter, Aria. She's in VP. Water. Can you say water? Water starts with W. Melon. Water and melon make what? Watermelon. All right, let's do the next one. Let's do something first, okay? It's a big word, right? Watermelon. Say watermelon without melon. What do you have left? Water, right? All right. Let's say, what word is this? The H goes, the O goes ah, the T goes ts. So when we read, we say the sounds, right, of each letter. We do not say H-O-T. We say the sounds. So try really hard. Go one by one. Just take your time. Ah, t, at, at, hot, hot. That says hot. What does this say? D, a, g. Dog. Hot dog. Right? Say hot dog. Hot dog. Now say hot dog without hot. What do you got? Dog. Now ready? Say dog without d. What do you have left? Og. Right? All right. Let's do another one. Let's try this. What sound does this make? The TH sounds like the letter D, right? Almost. It says the, right? The. So what happens when you take the and you add a, t, at. A goes a, the T goes t. So when you read it, you say at. What do you make when you put the and at together? That, right? Now let's try another one. Put the let's put a silent E. You remember what silent E is? And it goes invisible, right? They go like this. You say, no, I don't want to say it. Not. I don't want to say anything. So this word is a sight word. We learned yesterday, right? The. T-H-E says the. All right. Got another one for you. What does this say? Left. Long word, right? Left. Where's your left? Remember, you go left, right, right? Left. What word is this? Right. Let's put an L over here. And an R over there. Right. How do you know it says right? because the R goes R. Remember, we talked about the I goes here in this word. The I goes I. The G and the H cover their eyes, and the T goes T. So when you read this part together, it says "ite," right? What happens if I take the out? It says "ite," right? So what happens now if I put a T in front of "ite"? It says what? Tight, right? What happens if I put an F? F goes. What does an "ite" make? Fight, right? What happens if I put, get rid of stuff. What happens if I put an F and a L? The F goes, the L goes L, and "ite." Flight. Remember, what's flight? What is flight? Something that flies, right? Flying. That's flight, right? All right, so let's do some quick sight words. Ready? I'm going to read a book and some dictionary words, and we'll be done. These are new words, okay? Because we're not in school, I don't get to spend extra time with you. So I'm just going to tell you these words, and I want you guys to practice it every day, okay? You can just keep watching this video. Where. Where. W-H-E-R-E. Where. The T goes T. The O goes U. In this word, it says two. Two. T-O says two. Now there are three words that sound the same, but they mean different things. So we got two, this one that I just showed you. Yesterday we did another word too. And we got another two. There are three words. All three start with T. All three of them say two. T-O, two. This means when you're going to, like when you're going somewhere. So like, two. You want to go to school. You want to go to school, right? So when you go somewhere, I'm going to put an arrow here so it can remind you, you're going to go somewhere. That's you over there running. That's you. You're going somewhere, right? Two. This two, T-W-O, we learned yesterday. This one is the actual number two. Two. Now this two has two O's. See? This two says two has T-O-O. This two has one O, right? When it has two O's, it means two. Like, I miss you too, you know? Or I'm hungry too. Or I'm tired too. Like also, you know? Means like also. So I'm going to write here. All. So, three words say two. Okay? But they have different meanings. Okay? Let's keep going with the sight words. Run. Run. Come. Like, come here. Come. Funny. Funny. Find. Find. Like right now, I cannot find my car keys. Help. Help. The H goes, the E goes, the L goes, the P goes, P. Help. Away. Away. Jump. 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 This is a number. but it's spelled, this is a word. Okay, there's a name for that number. 3. 3. 3. 3. Little. Little. When L and E are together like that, the L goes first and then the E, it says oh. Little. Said. Said. Make. Make. All right. So, you're gonna see this video is it has 3 parts to it. One part because I didn't get to finish. So I'm gonna finish the circle time. I'm gonna read a book. We're gonna finish our dictionary, and I'm gonna tell you about a couple things also. The other part of the video is a science experiment. Okay. So the dictionary. We're gonna finish our dictionary. We're gonna open up to letter W. And these are things we already know, so I'm just gonna tell you the names. W is for woman and wood. Wool. Wool is the soft, curly hair of a sheep that we use it to turn it into cloth, right? For knitting. World. Worm. Wrinkle. A wrinkle is a crease, like on the face or the skin. This dog has lots of wrinkles. Wrist. And write, when you write something. W is for watermelon. The title of this book is The Watermelon Seed. God, the watermelon seeds. I love watermelon. Chomp, chomp, chomp. It's the best. Ever since I was a teeny tiny baby crocodile, it's been my favorite. Chomp, chomp, chomp. I like it for breakfast. I like it for lunch. I like a big salty slab for dinner. I love it for dessert. I love watermelon. Oh. Uh-oh. What do you think happened? I just swallowed a seed. What's a seed? The watermelon seeds are the little black parts, right? The seed is a part of a plant that grows into another plant, right? If you put these little black seeds in the ground, you'll get another watermelon plant. I swallowed a seed. It's gonna grow in my guts. What's guts? Is guts the head? Is it the feet? No, guts is the stomach, right? My stomach will stretch. My skin will turn pink. I don't want to be a fruit salad. Please, somebody help me. Look, help. One of the sight words. And me, another sight word. Like his stomach is making noises. Oh no, I can feel it growing inside me. It's happening right now. My stomach feels funny. Oh, here's the seed. That was too close. No more melon for me. Never again. Well, maybe just a teeny tiny bite. Jump, 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 jump. Uh-oh. What do you think happened? Think he swallowed another seed? The end. All right, so next you're going to see a science experiment, right? W is also for weather. Weather is like the conditions that are outside in the world, in the nature. Like raining, foggy. If it's foggy, storms. If it's clouds, wind, right? W is for wind. But the science experiment, we're going to talk about how clouds form in the sky, okay? So that's going to be next. Also, I wanted to point out that in your packet, you have these popsicle sticks. you have 8 popsicle sticks. Okay, with these popsicle sticks, you can make letters. What letter is this? V, right? Let's take 2 V's, put them together. What letter is this? W. You can make all the letters you want, right? But you can also make shapes. So upside down V. Well, what shape is this? A triangle. So what happens if you put 2 triangles together? Make a what? A diamond, right? You can make a diamond. Right? So you could play around with that and make different shapes, okay? And count the sides. Okay? So here is the science experiment. Hello. So here we go. This is our science experiment, okay? Kyrie, you want to come over and see?
Yes.
You can sit over here next to me. This is Kyrie. She's sitting right next to me. All right. So we're gonna make a cloud, right? We've been talking about the weather. So in order to for clouds to create in the sky, clouds are made out of water, right? So water turns into gas, right? Also called as vapor. So that's called evaporation. When the water evaporates, it turns into gas or vapor. So to form clouds, the vapor has to collect into tiny little drops of water, right? And this is called condensation. You might see it when you have a cold glass of water or something, and it gets like, you see the little tiny drops of water, that's condensation, okay? So the vapor needs to turn into condensation. In order for that to happen, you need, we need dust or hairspray or smoke or, you know, like
Water.
anything like that, right? That from the planet Earth. I'm guessing most of the clouds come from are mixed with dust and smoke, right? So in our experiment here, we have our jar. You can do this at home, but you need somebody to help you. So we got the jar. I got hot water here. It's not boiling hot, but it's just hot. So I'm gonna fill like 1/3 or 1/4 of the cup with the hot water. Let's see if this works. Okay. I got my lid. You need a lid. It doesn't need to be screwed in. It's just to cover it. So you need a match. This is why you need an adult, because kids don't play with fire. So we're gonna light the match.
Oh.
I'm gonna wait a little bit here for it to burn. I'm gonna get my lid ready because I'm gonna cover it. Okay.
When it's starting.
You don't want to get burned, so I'm gonna cover it and I'm gonna put
ice on top.
Ice on top.
And we'll see if it works.
And it should work because remember we said we needed the smoke, and I could already see the cloud forming. Carrie, can you see the cloud forming?
Yes, that's so cool.
Because it used a little bit of smoke. We got the hot water from the condensation. The hot water turning into vapor. We got the cold. So this is the same thing that happens in Earth. So this is how the clouds form. So I'm going to take the camera now and I'm going to put it close up. Can I get the phone? All right, so hopefully you can see it.
Or don't even try this at home. You have to use a pan.
It takes about a minute or 2.
Or 2 hours.
Not 2 hours.
2 minutes.
Not 2 hours. It takes a minute or 2. Sorry, I'm gonna.
It takes a minute or 2.
I'll try to see if you could see the cloud forming. It takes like a minute or 2 for the cloud to form. I could see it forming already. Now I'm gonna switch the camera over because I really want to show you and talk to you about this. So if you see here, the cold from the top is causing the condensation, and the hot water is making it's making the cloud form. So I don't know if you could really see it, but I could see the cloud moving inside. I'll turn it around and see if you can see it better this way. There's a cloud forming inside. Can you see it? I bet you can see it there. So I'm gonna wait a little bit longer and I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna open the lid so you can see the cloud come out. That'll be very cool to watch. So this is how clouds form in the sky. Clouds are made of water. I'm gonna open it one in a couple of minutes. Oops, there's a hair there. I think that's your hair, Kyrie.
It's my hair.
Yeah.
Because it's
too take your hair out of here. Yeah, you need to get your hair out of here. Nobody wants to see your hair in the science experiment. All right, so I'm about to open the lid and see. Here's a shot from afar where you can see it. You can see that. I'm gonna open it. You ready, Kai? I'm gonna open it.
Yes. Whoa.
Look at the cloud coming out.
Whoa.
See the cloud leaving?
Yeah, let's go show Dad.
You can do this as many times as you want to.
Yeah, you can try this at home, but be careful.
You see the cloud leaving?
Daddy.
All right.
We made it.
That was fun, guys.
Now the cloud is
Bye.
gone.